In the heart of Silverdale, stretching 186 acres from Dyes Inlet to Peterson Farm, Clear Creek Trail connects our community to nature. With more than 7 miles of trail, it welcomes families, walkers, runners, and cyclists. Access to nature here supports the physical and mental well-being of our region. But Clear Creek is more than a trail. It's an outdoor classroom. Through Salmon in the Classroom, students raise salmon from egg to fry. Then release them into the creek, learning about watershed health and habitat. Land labs bring middle school students outside to explore forests, biodiversity, and conservation. This special place depends on people like you. Join a trail work party, adopt a section, or volunteer with youth programs. All are welcome to walk, hike, run, bike, and enjoy the trail. Learn more at greatpeninsula.org.